Hello friends, hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to reduce noise from your photo into Photoshop without losing the sharpness and the detail of the image. Yes, you hear right, without losing any sharpness, any detail from your photo. So let's get straight to it, the magical word of Photoshop, and let's do it. So we are here in the magical world of Photoshop, and here as you can see over here in this image I have took it with a very high ISO and shutter speed. So as you can see over here, you will see a lots of noise and color noise as well. So I will zoom the photo and you can see over here this image is full of noise and color noise. So without losing the detail of this photo, and we will reduce this noise with only one click. Yes, only one click. So straight get into it. So here over filter I have installed the topaz lab filter. Yes, you can download and install it, but it is few paid version, so you have to spend money, but it's worth it. Yes, really friends, it's really worth it, because it reduces lots of noise using the AI system and a detailed remain intact in it. So go ahead and install it and run the program. So we are here in the program. So as you can see over here, in the left side it is your original image, and at the right hand it is the edited version. So over in this UI you can see over here it is the AI mode selected over here, and here are lots of presets are given here. So as you have to analyze your image that it is how it is, means I have shooted over here with a high ISO, so it is as a low light image. So according to your noise and amount of noise in your image, you have to select over here. So I will use low light, and it will auto detect the mode and all the sharpness and all the noise into the image, and it will reduce it. As you can see, you will see and you will know. So see over here, it's blown our mind, isn't it? So you can see over here at the right it is the original image, and after reducing noise, see over here the all noises are gone and the sharpness of the image is still intact. Over here you can see, and if you want to, if you are not satisfied with this result, you can tweak over here. You can reduce the noise, or as per your choice, you want to enhance sharpness, you can do over here, or you have to remain the restore the original detail, you can do from over here. Till you are satisfied, you can toggle these options and play with it. So I am satisfied with this result, so I will click and go and hit apply. So as you can see over here, the filter has been applied and the noise all the noise and color noise has been reduced. So let me zoom and show you. See, in previously, as you have seen, there were lots of noise, but now see, no noise, and the sharpness of this image is very good and well, as you can see over here, and I am pretty satisfied from this result, and as you can, and you all. So this is it for today's video. If you want to know various tips and tricks like this, please do subscribe my channel and comment if you have any problem in doing this, or any future video do you want. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.